coming off the beach.
Outside bathroom.
And an outside bathroom. Neato. So you're literally a minute from the beach.
Exactly. Across the street.
Yeah, right across the street. Beautiful. And then do you have a price range? Do you have a price range or a website that we can... Hey everybody, Lance Dow, the Tequila Professor. Yeah, that's Caribbean behind me there. I'm up on the roof of Contenedor restaurant. And this is my second video that I really don't like to make because I don't like to be negative. But just got finished with one No Bueno video, and this is the second one. Only this one's called GoPro 11, and really GoPro No Bueno. Now, why is it GoPro No Bueno? Well, because you see, there's we share this actual camera with Eclipse Adventures, our very good friends, the Sirens of the Sea, Cheyenne and ARRRR. And one of the reasons you buy a GoPro is they insist that you can replace it no matter what. You can take a hammer and a sledgehammer and slam this into pieces and give it back to them. And as long as you have the subscription, you can get it replaced. Well, not only do we have one subscription on this, we have two subscriptions. ARRRR and Cheyenne have a subscription, and the Tequila Professor has a subscription. So that's two subscriptions GoPro's getting on the same camera. Anyway, you see this little thing here. Now, we don't know whether that popped open during an excursion under the sea, or whether it was left open. But you know what? According to GoPro, it really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how a GoPro is non-functioning or gets damaged. You're supposed to be able to replace it. But you know what? Here in Mexico, you can't replace it. We're the 13th, this is the 13th largest economy in the world. This is a massive location for YouTubers, for action videos, for travel videos, you name it. But I've got to go back to the United States to replace this? No, no bueno. You've got Cancun is 15 minutes from here. You got Playa's 20 minutes from here. I should be able to replace this GoPro at some location that GoPro has here in Mexico. Can I send it to Mexico City? Can I send it to Cabo? Can I send it to Cancun? Can I walk to Cancun? Can I walk to Playa del Carmen and replace this? No, I cannot. So either I've got to wait to go back to the United States and pay all the money for my tickets to replace. That would cost more than the actual value of the camera. So GoPro no bueno. You need to fix this. You need to have locations here in the 13th largest economy in the world, soon to be 12th, I believe, in the next 5 to 7 years. Because Mexico's got it going on, but GoPro, you don't have it going on. So, GoPro no bueno. This is Lance Dow, the Tequila Professor, signing off.